Hi, I thought I would do a quick little video with my new Rosalie kit, little Rosie. I just had a box opening for her, but I had done it kind of quickly and I didn't really get to show off some of the special little things that she has on her. So I thought I'd do this really quick. So here she is, little Rosie. Show her name. Olga Auer. So this is her. She has these cute little bent legs. This foot has all the little toes like splayed out. This is her coloring. And this little foot has all the toes like tucked in. And her little legs are just always, there's not a whole lot more you can do with them. They're always just tucked up and all scrunched up. And so I have been keeping her in I had her in a sleeper, and I changed her because I like seeing her little legs. They're just so much cuter out like this. And so I've just been keeping her in little onesies. So this is her. She has these cute little arms, these little long thin arms. She actually looks really cute laying on her belly too. This is her hand, her other little hand. Okay, so this is her face. Has this little something different. It has the little milk bumps on her nose, a couple up by her eye. She does have some eyelashes. Look at those lips. Luscious little lips. And then her hair is painted. A nice painted hair. Do the other side. But she also has an applied little patch right on top, and it always looks so shiny. So it's just hair just glued down. At first I thought it was rooted and then glued down, but it's just glued down. And it just kind of gives like the 3D look to the painted hair. She does not have a magnet. There's a few babies that don't have magnets that I kind of wish had magnets. So I have some. So that's like on the to-do list to get some magnets. Well, I have some magnets, but to glue them, I have the glue and stuff that most reborn artists use, I think, and glue them. It's just the project of taking their heads off and gluing them and setting them and re-putting their heads on. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it's a little bit of a pain. So I want to do that with her because even though she has beautiful lips, I just think little sleeping baby with a little passy in her mouth is so cute. So what I got to change her into, since Valentine's Day is coming up, I haven't bought any new outfits lately, but I found this little Hugs and Kisses onesie, and then I have little socks and a little bow. So I'll change her really quickly. She's been a fun new little baby to have. She's got a sweet little face. She has a wafer, and it was tucked down in her diaper, and it still smells. Somehow it's worked its way up into her belly, so I'm going to tuck that back in there. And I had this little deer sitting on the shelf, and I don't remember who it belongs to. And so I've been letting her sit with it. I think I've only changed her twice. I think I changed her out of what she came in and put her in a sleeper. And every time I looked at her in the sleeper, I thought, I just want to see those little legs out. And so I put her in that other that other onesie. I haven't been interacting a lot with the dolls lately, with the babies. I've changed a couple here and there, but I don't know. I'm not really having being burned out. I haven't felt like changing, or I haven't taken any pictures, and I feel kind of bad because I haven't taken any pictures of her and posted them. I found these little red and pink and white socks. I don't know. I thought these folded down. She is newborn, but I feel like her feet are really little, or her legs, because they're tucked up or like extra short or something, because I had socks with the other onesie, but they just didn't look right because of how her legs are tucked up like this, and that's why she didn't have socks on when I first showed her. But these look cute. And then this bow is already tied off. And one thing with this applied hair, I'm not sure about like keeping bows on her when she's just like on display or on laying around, because I'm not sure if it'll peel up. But oh, I haven't even put a bow on her for that reason, but she looks really cute with this bow in her face, around her head. So there she is, hugs and kisses, all ready for Valentine's Day. Isn't she adorable? And here's the little lovey that belonged to someone, and now that I'm saying this, I think I know which baby it belongs to, and maybe I better give it back to her. I think it goes to one of my tinks. Anyway, yeah, but her little feet, her feet seem so little, and I don't know, the socks have all looked so baggy on her, and because her legs are bent, it's a different kind of baggy. I haven't been able to really decide if I liked it, but I think these socks look cute. And look at that face with that bow in her hair. I might just have to take pictures. It's been gray and no sun, so maybe if we have the sun coming soon, I could take pictures for Valentine's Day in this hugs and kisses. But yeah. Anyway, so there she is, little Rosie, and in a new outfit. I've been enjoying this little girl. Super pleased to have this kit in my collection. Anyway, I think I have one other baby that had milk bumps on her nose from the same artist, but it was like one of the first ones I got from her. And so she hasn't done it for a while. But I love those extra little touches. She also has that little red mark up here by her hairline. Anyway, so there's little Rosie. Just thought we would do some more close-up and have a look at her. So I hope you all have had a lovely day, or can have a lovely day, and your week was good. And looking forward to, it's actually been really warm, so I can't say looking forward to warmer weather, just the last few days have been kind of stormy, the last couple days, so stormy. I know we have to have snow, I just don't want it. And Rosalie's not dressed for it anyway, with her bare little legs. I just love them. Let's see if I can flip her. They just tuck tuck, so cute. Look how cute that is, a little bone. Probably should turn her head the other way. Headband doesn't look so great like this. The big knot in it, but she's a cute belly layer too. So, yep, there's little Rose. And we'll just see you again soon. Bye.